Hi everyone, this is the start of week 3. So in week 2 you guys had your first introduction to molar mass, and you also reviewed using your chemical formulas, and you kind of got into counting moles. So we're going to take a step this week and look at types of reactions. So while your last week was kind of short, only 4 days, this one, if you look, it looks like it's really long, but it runs from a Friday through a Monday, and it seems long because there's a holiday in there. And you only have 2 things due, so actually pretty easy, but we're going to look at different types of reactions. There's 5 you need to know. Synthesis, that's where something's being made. So generally in a synthesis reaction you'll have 2 reactants in one product. Second one is decomposition. That's where something is being broken apart. So generally in a decomposition you will start with 1 reactant and have 2 products. Single replacement, I'm not going to explain here. I'm going to let you read about, because explaining it here would make this video too long. Double replacement, same thing. But I will tell you guys, if you get to those and you don't understand, send me an email, and I think I can send you some kind of visual that will help you out very quickly. The last type of reaction we're going to look at is combustion. Almost all combustion reactions will involve an oxygen. So keep that in mind as you go through the week. This week, like I said, there's only 2 assignments to turn in, but really there's a lot of reading that you need to get through. So you're going to start by reading section 8.2 in your textbook. Then there's some reading here, then a short quiz on synthesis and decomposition to make sure you know the difference between those 2. And then we'll go on to single and double replacements, types of reactions, practice. There's some problems that you're not turning these in, but it is in your best interest to do these practice sets so that you can take the quiz. Again, you got to review those diatomic elements. Remember, diatomic elements are the ones here, right here, Brinch-Clough, and those are the ones that when they are in an equation by themselves, they are always written with a 2 subscript. So you need to know those diatomic elements. Take yourself a little 3x5 card and write that down on them so that when you're working, you've got it right there and you remember it. Or write it on your ion sheet so that you remember it. Anyway, you'll get down, there's several practice problems and some reading, and then you get down to there's a quiz on types of reactions, and that second quiz will cover all 5 types that are in this week. So you have until Monday the 25th to complete this week. It starts Friday the 15th through Monday the 25th. Let me know if you have questions.